Hello, my name is Libby and I'm the Internal Comms Executive here at Häfele UK. The 9th of February marks the start of National Apprenticeship Week, and we wanted to kickstart the week by showcasing our apprentices and all the incredible work they do across the business. At Häfele, investing in our people is fundamental to building a successful and sustainable business, and for many years apprenticeships have played a key role in that commitment. Apprenticeships allow us to grow talent from within, bring fresh perspectives and develop the skills we need not just for today but for the future. Having started in an apprenticeship myself, I've seen firsthand the impact that they can have on capability, confidence and performance. In this video you'll hear real stories from our apprentices and colleagues across the business who have used apprenticeships to develop their career alongside their role, and see how that impact translates into stronger teams and long-term business growth.
I wanted to choose an apprenticeship so it'd be a nice start to my career, while also being able to learn new stuff and start getting paid for it. A typical day consists of routine jobs and going into the warehouse. Sometimes we'll also have a different challenge to face, or we'll be taught something different by one of our colleagues.
I'm learning through real experience. My typical day includes a mix of office-based work and time in a warehouse, completing risk assessments, investigating incidents, accidents and doing 𝗙𝗏𝗄. As well, we are doing quarterly checks. Not 2 days as the same, which I really enjoy, as it helps me keep learning and developing in my role.
So my apprenticeship journey started in 2001. I did an advanced one apprenticeship in customer support, business administration and IT systems. After that I actually left the business I was with, had a couple of jobs and then started to work at Häfele. I then picked my apprenticeship journey back up in 2017. Once I'd become a manager, I went into a management and leadership apprenticeship for level 3, which would be very beneficial. I then decided in 2022 to pick up a management level 5 and operational department management level 5 apprenticeship.
For me, doing an apprenticeship was a no-brainer, as you gain real-world experience working with equipment, systems and machinery, whilst also gaining a recognised technical qualification in your chosen field. So in my apprenticeship, I enjoy most being hands-on servicing the equipment around site, such as the conveyors and high bay cranes. I also enjoy working as part of a team to diagnose problems and find solutions.
So I work in the confirmations and the inventory services department. I also do the direct deliveries as well, and I help with subcontracting for Service Plus. I've also started doing some weekly reports as well for the procurement team. So I get a Thursday to do all my study work. So I have like my online lectures and then I have in-person blocks as well. So yeah, I can balance it really well, so that's really helpful.
The main advice I'll give anyone looking to start an apprenticeship is to do it. They're always going to be beneficial, it's always going to assist you in some way, both personally and professionally. And the key thing is to take that leap. When we're being stretched, we are learning, we're learning new skills, and if it is slightly uncomfortable, that does mean you're developing.